dad just opened up coconut. He's gonna try it live for us. But I didn't want matcha.
No matcha for me.
No matcha for him. Hi everyone, Jenna here. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me in Key Biscayne. I'm going to be exploring and going to all my coolest places that I like to go to when I do come over to Key Biscayne Island. I also have my dad here traveling with me. He came in from Ohio yesterday. You guys are going to be able to come along with me and my dad and come to all my favorite places across the island. It is a beautiful day here, and I also got a brand new drone yesterday. So it's my first time flying a drone today, and I'm going to be testing it out, flying it around Key Biscayne, and fingers crossed that I do not crash it. If you've never been to Key Biscayne or Miami in general, then this video is for you because I'm going to be taking you to all my favorite secret places that I like to call secret, even though they're not too secret, they're very much public, and come along with me. Also, before I forget, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're brand new here, and give the video a like as well, and leave a comment. I love replying to comments. Starting off with this beautiful beach. It is right as soon as you enter the Key Biscayne, and it's actually on the maps I think called Hobby Island or Hobby Beach, and it's technically a dog beach, but it doesn't really look like there's many dogs here today. Maybe there's like one or two. This is the beach that I love to take my dog, and she loves it here. The water is super shallow right here until it's like a pretty good sandbar, so it goes out quite a bit and then it drops off and it goes into like a lot of seagrass, so that's why it goes from light to dark. Always play frisbee, and it's a perfect spot for dogs. We did not bring Olive here today, but I will probably include some videos of Olive here at this beach as well. Now we're gonna go find my dad. I think he's right on over here. There's like a few people who have been watching me film this too. Alright, we finished up at Hobby Island Beach. What would you rate that beach from the beaches you've been to?
I would give it a 5, a little small.
It is small. There is a very small sanded beach, and the sand's not very nice, but you know, for the free parking and for the easy access it makes it probably be like a 7 out of 10 for me, because I really like the clear water and it's a good paddleboarding spot. How's your flight down here?
It was good. A little crammed.
He chose the middle seat.
Well, thanks to Spirit, my flight was crammed because Spirit canceled a flight and it added a bunch of people to my flight, which filled up all the seats around me.
Should have just taken the aisle.
Should have.
We are now going to drive down to the lighthouse. You're gonna make me look so short by holding it up that high. Alright you guys, we made it to the pathway to the lighthouse. That's his area. Right down this path, and we didn't think there was gonna be anyone here because we didn't see anyone on the path that we were walking, but there is a few people here and we're gonna go make friends with them. You're gonna make friends with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna make friends with them.
We made it.
Made it.
It hurts my eyes to go from like being really bright to dark. They told us the elevators were working, and here we are walking up the stairs. This is crazy.
Oh, is that a level?
There's a light.
Oh.
You can't really see how.
We made it. It's very windy. The balcony is very, very tiny. I have a battery for that too. We just finished up the lighthouse tour. It was pretty cool. We had some cool views. We had some disturbing views, seeing someone pee over there by the beach. My dad pointed it out. you were looking out for that.
That's because he was hung like a squirrel.
Yeah, it was very hard to get videos because it was in like such a small area. Just took some pictures on this trail, and we actually wanted to go back around the other way. So there's this trail, which is apparently the main trail. I didn't know. We came the back way. So these are the keepers' cottages. I didn't even know they had these here before we came here, because I have not ever done the lighthouse tour. They have the outhouse right over here. You should go use the outhouse.
Yeah, see if you can wash your hands in there. Wash your hands up in there.
Yeah? Wait, why?
You said you wanted to wash your hands. So
Yeah, I do want to wash my hands.
It's
It's grimy in there. I was gonna test fly my drone here, but it's a little windy, so we're not gonna risk it. We're gonna go somewhere else and fly the drone. It is a little bit busier over there. How it is. It is like a Thursday afternoon.
don't fall in.
We are now in a restricted area over here, but I wanted to look at the water. This is the path that comes down from the lighthouse, and we're kind of just going for a walk. They said people were falling through the piers. All the piers we've looked at don't look like they're that bad, unless they already got repaired. Right next to the lighthouse, they also have the Lighthouse Cafe, which we almost stopped at. We looked at the menu. I don't like seafood though, so we ended up not going there. I think the majority of their menu items are seafood. They do have other options though too, but instead we're just getting a little snack at Starbucks, and I'm gonna also get matcha. So there's a Starbucks that's like 2 miles straight out from the park, and that's where we're going now. Right through here is the way to the Starbucks. There's a couple of shops. Yeah. I got matcha, but I didn't want matcha.
No matcha for me.
No matcha for him. I give it like a 6 out of 10. We just made it to Crandon Park, and we're in this super duper big open field that you probably would see if you look at Crandon Park on the map. And I'm gonna set up my drone right here, and we're gonna test fly it. It is a little bit windy, so mini drones like this usually typically don't do very well with the wind, so we'll see. I might try to hunt for a hawk or a vulture. So I'm gonna set it up, and we're gonna test fly. He's gonna take over while I set up.
I got this.
Alright, here she is. Aircraft and altitude zone. Alright, we got it. Takeoff permitted. Let's go. You see the hawks like just swing down?
I set that down and run.
Oh my god. You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Should I?
Whoa. Almost got me.
Crandon Beach, aka Crandon Park. We just did some of the drone footage, which you guys may have seen, and I don't think I'm gonna fly the drone here only because it's very, very windy. Don't even know if this sounds even good because there's so much wind, but I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna go down by the water and hang out though. He just found a little toy Bronco at the beach. This is my brand new Bronco. Not the color exactly I wanted, but it'll do for now. We just got to Crandon Golf Course. We're just doing some putting. We're kind of just messing around doing some putting, and that's really it. This is also another really cool place to come if you are visiting Key Biscayne. The golf here for a round ranges from like $100 to $200, which is kind of a lot for just 18 rounds, but it is a really, really pretty course. We're using the Scotty. All right, let's see. Let's see it. He's gonna try to make it right here. Pretty close. We're doing some competitions, and I beat him.
Yeah, only the first time. I beat you the last two.
We tied a couple of those. Right here she is. We're gonna also test around and fly her here. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it though, because There's not too many people here, but I do want to kind of mess around with it and fly it. Here we go. That's so loud. We just arrived to Crandon Beach, and this is where there's a little trail that goes to a secret sandbar. And last time Bailey and I came here, there was a bunch of old nude men because it is a little maybe too secret. Close to a mile walk to get there, but totally worth it. I'm with my dad again. We brought Olive this time, and she's gonna go play some frisbee over there and hang out in the water. Dad, you wanna say hi?
We got the same shirt on as the other day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like we're, you know, we're here again.
We're here.
Yeah, we're here.
Ready to go.
Yep. So we parked right over there, and this is at the far end of Crandon Beach. All of you ready to see all the iguanas? All right, we are just now arriving to the beach area. Now you walk 1 more mile down this path and then you're there.
Yeah, right.
On days where it's sunny, it's so much more blue. Oh, there's more beach here this time. There's actually a beach here now. She's so sandy, she's kind of cold.
Looks like all the sand came from the towel.
All right, my dad just opened up a coconut. He's gonna try it live for us. Oh gosh. Huh? Huge leaf. It's a cool leaf.
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you guys head down, give it a like, and comment your favorite place I showed in this video, whether it was a lighthouse or the beaches or anything I showed. If you are going to be traveling to Miami, these are all of my personal favorite places to visit on Key Biscayne, and Key Biscayne is basically right off the coast of Miami, so I highly recommend if you are visiting Miami to go check out Key Biscayne. All of my socials will be linked in the description along with my Twitch if you guys want to head on over there and follow it, as I do stream every single day. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!